Viewing totals for replant can be a valuable feature of the Analyze tab. I'm going to select my corn seeding operation, and I'm going to utilize the filter. If your varieties were specific to replant, you could select those varieties if they were named in the monitor that way. Select close, and I can view where those varieties were planted. So I can see in the 37.68 south field there was 1.4 acres replanted and 0.8 acres replanted in the 40.01 middle field. If I select the X, that will clear out my filter and get back to the original list. Another easy way to find replant information is to filter by starting date. In this case, June 6th, 2nd, and 1st are all replant dates, while May 8th, 7th, 4th, and 2nd are original planting dates. So I'll simply select those replant dates in order to view each field and how many acres was replanted in each field. If I would like to view what part of the field was replanted, I can simply select the field, come up to the top, and to the right of the pencil, there's a map pin icon. You can open up the map pin icon to view the map for the field to determine where the replant took place. If I would like to print that map out, I can simply select Share, create a report, and print, text, or email onto the appropriate party. If I would like to jump back into Analyze, I can simply click the Analyze button at the bottom, and we'll pick up right where we left off with our filters of June 6th, 2nd, and 1st. If I had the wrong variety selected, I could select the pencil icon and correct the variety to a new variety and hit Confirm to change the documented variety. I also have the ability to go in and look at all the varieties that were planted across the entire organization. Select that variety to determine what fields it was planted in.